I thought I'd come on and just do a quick makeup tutorial, something cute and quick.
Whenever your heart is broken, don't ever forget you're golden. I will find the light in your soul, I'll be there.
We're gonna do a brown smoky eye tutorial. Everything that I use in this video will be down below in the description box, so let's go ahead and get started. I will start off with eyes first. We're not gonna start off with face because I will be using a darker color. Okay, and so for a primer, I'm going to be using Dr. Brandt's Illuminizer Primer. Go ahead and I'm going to start off with Nudist, and I'm going to use Nudist in my lid area, so right on the lid all the way across. For my inner corner, I am going to go ahead and I'm going to use Angel. Angel is one of my favorite colors to use. After that, I'm going to go in with Pancake here. It's right next to Nudist, and I'm going to apply that to the crease. Right on top of Pancake, I'm gonna add Mousse, which is here. It's just the color right next to it. With Pancake, and I'm going to drag that along the lower lash line. Then next, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to grab Mousse, and I'm going to do the same thing. And pretty much I'm just darkening up the look a little bit. Next, we're going to go into Control Freak. Just a little bit. It's more of a reddish brown, and I'm going to apply that right into the same area. I'm going to take that same brush, and there's a color here called Midnight right here. It's kind of like an olive brown. I'm going to grab a little bit of that, and I'm going to put that on the outer eye. So I'm just going to dab a little bit of it on the outer eye. I'm gonna go into Black Beauty, this one here, and I'm just gonna apply a little bit of this to my outer corner. Now with black, you gotta be really careful because a little bit of it does go a long way. If you are not careful, my dear, you can look crazy. So just a little bit of it right into the corner, and I'm going to then take a brush, and I'm just going to blend that out as well. Okay, so now I'm just gonna go in with a black pencil, and I am going to line my upper line a little bit. For blush, I'm going to use a Wet n Wild blush, same old, same old. You guys, so this is the final look. My lips are like hecka dry, so don't mind that. And my eyebrow drove me crazy. I don't know why I'm not able to do my eyebrow in this tutorial, but whatever. This is the look that I created for you guys. A dark smoky eye, something different, something fun. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Make sure to rate, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff, and I will see you guys in a later video.